Dan and I went with a group of friends out to an animal rescue farm. It's called Sugarshine Rescue, and we had quite a funny morning, just feeding the animals and playing with them. And generally these places are difficult to keep going because of the number of animals that people give them or they have to rescue. So if you've got one in your neighbourhood, I think it's a really good thing to do, to donate your time or your money. They have people donating their time, staying there for weeks and helping to look after the animals, because there's quite a bit of work to be done. And donating food is also a good idea. If you know someone that has bulk scraps, you can take them out. There's lots of different ways you can help, but if you can find one in your area, it'd be a great idea to help out.
Here's all the munchers munching on the fresh carrot scraps that our friends brought us, and our sweet potato. Oh, they love it. There's so many pigs here. I have to stop taking them because they can't keep up with them.
There's quite a few little Jersey calves that were without mums for one reason or another. Probably they're all males, and they needed to be fed 3 times a day. So we helped out and took some of the pressure off the workers.
No, you've got to stay here away. You've had your share, okay? You've had your share. You've had your share.
Yeah. His teeth hurt also. Like
now the calves have eaten. Ow! Oh, what's happened, Kat?
He's biting me.
Oh,
just put the bottle in the
biting
tree
her.
if you want, and then they will leave you alone normally.
Oh, okay.
Otherwise, they will follow you.
Oh, okay.
And all the pigs are having a wonderful time here. Hey, 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 hey. And the turkey. There's a couple of duckies here.
Oh, so should I get rid of the box?
Oh. They're all hopping into the wheat bix, I think. Yeah, the wheat bix up there. And there's so many goats here. So many goats. And there's a few sheep. Oh, and there's little popcorn again. I don't know how little popcorn survives amongst all this. But and there's this turkey gobbler, he is quite aggressive. So we're staying away from him. There's the pigs up in the corner again.
Good job.
There's quite a bit going on here.
I understand.
There are also some foxes at the sanctuary, but they're a problem in Australia, so they have to be kept caged.